In the heart of a serene forest, where sunlight plays hide and seek with the leaves, lived two unlikely friends, Rolo the rabbit and Tinu the tortoise. Rolo, with his swift legs, could dash so fast that even the wind would sometimes plead with him to slow down. Tinu, on the other hand, was a picture of steadiness. His gentle, deliberate steps were like a soft rhythm echoing patience through the woods. One sunlit morning, Rolo hopped excitedly to Tinu and suggested, "Let's race. First to the big mango tree wins." His words spilled out like a cascade of marbles rolling down a hill. Tinu looked up, blinked, and with a calm smile, replied, "I'm in. But I'll walk as I always do, one thoughtful step at a time." As the race began, the forest was filled with excitement. At the chirpy sound of a sparrow's whistle, Rolo shot forward like a streak of light, a white blur weaving through colorful flowers. Tinu followed, moving slowly but surely, each step measured and deliberate. Midway through the race, Rolo basked in the warm sunlight and thought, "I'm so far ahead. Just a quick nap won't hurt." He curled up under a mushroom, drifting off into dreams of carrot clouds. Meanwhile, Tinu continued his steady pace, step after step, unwavering and calm. He didn't hurry, didn't pause, he simply kept moving. When Rolo finally awoke, startled by his own snoring, he quickly realized that Tinu was already nearing the mango tree, inching forward like the dawn breaking gently over the horizon. Rolo dashed as fast as his legs could carry him, but it was too late. Tinu had reached the tree first. Rolo gasped in disbelief, "But you're so slow. How did you win?" Tinu smiled warmly, just like the timeless trees in old stories. Because slow doesn't mean weak, and fast doesn't mean finished. What truly matters is focus, steadiness, and perseverance. Rolo's ears drooped in surprise, but then perked up with newfound resolve. "Next time, I'll try your way, but maybe with fewer naps." Both friends burst into laughter, their joyful voices dancing through the forest like tiny silver bells, a sweet reminder of the lesson learned together.